put it. I see it real quick. You just see it. You just see. You want to see how it jumps this one little bit? We don't know yet. Let's see how it fits in the boat. Let's check. Ready, then? Yeah. What? No, you don't push it. Watch it. The air can blow. Watch it. Blow. Oh. Hey, look it. One more car, okay? We'll get 2 more cars. Why? Everyone's at this ranch, and look. Don't leave it open. Yeah. There's your birthday thing. No, it's out there. That's yours. You got it.